Hello, I'm Aizel Alipio. I am 17 years of age. I studied at Talisa City College, taking up the course of Bachelor in Science in Hospitality Management. I am first year. I need this color so that aside of helping it my studies in paying tuition fees, it will help a lot to provide everything that I need in school, especially when we have projects, books, and other materials that we use in school. Even if we have a mini store, it can provide everything that we need in home or in school. If I will get this color, it will help a lot in my study because if I will finish this course, which is the HM, it can help me to find a good job and it can help a lot in my family.